Hi guys, I'm back at my power stance and today we're talking about oil pumps. In front of us we have three different billet oil pump options for the BMW M50 to M54 engine line. Right here we have the M50, M52, and M54. The difference between all these is the rotor height. As you can see, the rotor height and size has changed over the years. But together, they all feature upgraded hardened steel shafts, a billet front cover, and all the hardware needed to install it, including new O-rings and things for the oil pressure regulator and the dipstick. They also come with new sprockets. We recommend using 4 bolts on installation. The bolts feature Nord lock washers for secure connection. Use red Loctite and tighten to 13 Newton meters. The pumps themselves are super nice. The rotors are actually brand new and from BMW, so there's no worn out or used parts with these anymore. Now you can grab a simple upgrade, install it quickly, and not worry about any more used parts. Another thing you can do if you're building an engine is install our tensioner kit. Our tensioner kit applies tension to the oil pump chain, which eliminates slapping that can often chip gears on the crank and also help the shafts fail. Oftentimes, not only does the bolt back off the oil pump, the chains riding up on the tooth helps break the shaft. The oil pump chain tensioner reduces the risk of this. When installing an oil pump, we always do recommend using a new chain. The ones with the Master Link from Bimmerworld and the like work well. With the tensioners, they come with a template. This lets you know exactly where to drill your holes in your engine so that it's really easy to install. Also, what comes with it is a drill and tap kit. So truly, you're kind of just like, you can get in there, you can get the job done, and get back to your engine running optimally right away. So all in all, if you have a track car with an M50, whether it's an M50 single vanos, an M52 dual vanos, or an M54, we have the oil pump for you, and these are not going to let you down. So on my high-end motor billets, like my turbo M52, my high compression M54, you bet we have these in there. Remember, just make sure you get the right one for the right size rotor, and double check that the rotors are the same size when you receive them.